National level online quiz on applied physics. Enter email address. Enter full name. Enter institution, college, university name. Enter mobile number. Enter city, state. Select profile. Question 1. The Broglie wavelength is infinity when the speed of the matter particle is. Answer A, 0. Question 2. If delta A and delta T are the uncertainties in the measurement of energy and time of a system, according to Heisenberg's uncertain Y principle. Answer A, delta T is greater than or equal to h4 pi. Question 3. Wave function is theta. Answer B, probability amplitude of finding the particle in space. Question 4. Piezoelectric effect is the production of electricity by. Answer B, pressure. Question 5. Electrical conductivity of a semiconductor at absolute zero of temperature is. Answer D, 0. Question 6. Zener diodes with breakdown voltages less than 5 volts operate predominantly in what type of breakdown? Answer B, Zener. Question 7. If the Hall coefficient is negative, then the semiconductors is. Answer B, N-type. Question 8. The electric current in a pure semiconductor when in voltage is applied is due to. Answer B, electrons and holes. Question 9. The characteristic of a PN diode is. Answer C, it acts like a rectifier. Question 10. For p-type semiconductor, type of atoms are added to C. Answer A, trivalent. Question 11. Which has higher current gain? Answer D, avalanche photodiode. Question 12. A solar cell is an example of. Answer B, photoconductive cell. Question 13. The majority carriers of P material is. Answer A, holes. Question 14. Attenuation in an optical fiber is a function of. Answer A, fiber material only. Question 15. Cladding in the optical fiber is mainly due to. Answer B, to provide proper electromagnetic guidance. Question 16. In computer, laser is used. Answer C, semiconductor. Question 17. Laser radiation is. Answer B, all. Question 18. The unit for relative permittivity is. Answer D, dimensionless. Question 19. Dielectrics are. Answer B, insulators. Question 20. In the absence of external electric field, the electric dipoles in a dipolar substance are. Answer C, randomly oriented.